I'm Helen Robinson. I'm a consulting partner with Catalyst. Working for Catalyst, I think, is a bit like being part of a family. I know that family is located in different areas, but everyone keeps in touch. We all email and speak to each other, and it's fun then going out to see different clients in different locations and different industries, so every day is slightly different. What I really like about working with clients is I love delivering the training that they do. I like seeing the journey that people go on. So when they come into the room and they could be either full of ideas and they're just waiting to see how they can implement those ideas, or sometimes they could be a little bit scared and a little bit tentative because they don't really know what to expect. But I always find that they get engaged really quickly. The way the training's done is really interactive and it's really lively. It's nice and informal, and it's good to see the journey that they go on and then the ideas that they get, and then they're really excited about going back into the business and implementing them, which is fantastic. I find it's really good that when you get to meet the new people in the client, it might start off as quite a formal relationship, but actually because we have a really good informal style and we like to get to know people personally and know what works for them, it's really good that actually after we've left that client we can still keep in touch with them, and we can informally keep in touch either socially or just through work to see how they're getting on. So I really like that you kind of build your network that way, and there's people that I would actually still see socially and still keep in contact socially, which is really lovely. Before I worked for Catalyst, I worked in the general insurance industry, and prior to that I worked in the financial services industry, so that's my background. During my time there, I have set up new teams and I've instigated programs of continuous improvement or process improvement or business process review, all using the Lean Sigma foundations. And I've been involved in being a separate team and implementing Lean Sigma into different areas of the organisation, and also just being part of the organisation as well. I train other people as part of those previous roles, and I've coached them through to certification, so that it's really good seeing people who've come in from maybe a different part of the organisation and then they've loved doing the project work and they've loved doing the Greenbelt activities, and they've carried on doing that, and that's become their full-time career path, if you like, and they've gone down that route.